Hey YouTube, everybody out there, this is John Bonillas, Connie Auction Sales Advisors. So real quick with this video, I want to let you guys know that for this upcoming tax deed auction in Bexar County, I'm going to be there. I'll be on site, and I'll be on site with one of my team members there, and we're going to be handing out some postcards and flyers to you guys regarding a post-auction workshop that we're going to have. So this month in Bexar County, immediately following the auction, we're going to have a workshop that covers the topic of 3 ways to lose thousands at a tax deed auction. Okay, this is going to take place Tuesday, June 1st, 2020. It's going to be at 2014 South Hackberry in San Antonio, Texas. This is where my offices are located. It's going to be here in the conference room. We're going to have this from about 12 to 1. The cost of it is totally free. Like I said, the topic is 3 ways to lose thousands at a tax deed auction. So this is a free workshop that is going to help you immensely. And the reason I decided to choose this particular topic is because at the last auction here in Bexar County in May was a resale auction. Now, a resale auction is properties that didn't get sold previously at auctions, and then they throw them again every half year, every 6 months here in Bexar County, and they sell off these properties that didn't sell at auction before. Most of these properties are crap properties, okay? And anyways, I saw so many terrible bids and so many terrible purchases at this auction. I mean, I saw people lose thousands upon thousands of dollars at this auction. I'll just give you some examples here. You know, I got the list right here. I always keep notes of every single auction that I go to. So 239 Dulce Street sold for $2,000. You can't do anything with that land. $2,000 thrown away. We had another one that had sold for $18,800. It was a good piece of land. However, it had like another $17,000 in liens that I'm not sure they were aware of. So total cost, they really paid $35,000 for that piece of land. We have another one here, useless piece of land, sold for $1,300. Another one here, useless piece of land, sold for $1,700. This one, useless piece of land, sold for $12,000. The big ones that got me were a couple pieces of land that sold for, oh, here they are. Where's Walton? Here we go. Useless piece of land sold for $39,000 for one of them, okay? And then the other one sold for $21,500. And these are pieces of land that you cannot build on, you cannot develop on, you can't do anything with them. Anything. You just bought a bill, okay? And I saw so many of these made at this last resale auction. I say, John, why did people do this? Why would they spend their money like this? Didn't they know anything? Weren't they looking at the paperwork? Didn't they research? Didn't they do anything? Well, one of the main reasons why people will buy worthless crap pieces of land is because, one, they will be enticed by the price. It's such a low minimum bid, right? You get what you pay for. Buying a crappy piece of land for a minimum bid that's very, very low, and if you're enticed by price alone, you're going to lose out. The reason is location. People will just see a zip code or a neighborhood and they think, oh my God, I need to be in that area. What a great location. Let me buy up that land. But if you can't do anything with it, it doesn't matter where the hell it's at. And the last reason is the size, right? The ones that sold for $39,000 and $21,000 were 3 acres each. Great, nice, big pieces of land in a great location. They were also in a good side of San Antonio, and they were nice, big sizes. However, you cannot do anything with those pieces of land. So looking at it on paper, if you're just looking at it on paper, on these papers, where this just tells you the land size, the location, the zip code, the minimum bid, if this is all you're using, you're going to lose thousands of dollars, baby. And I don't want people to do that. I don't want you guys to do that. That's why I said, you know what? Let me hold a free workshop. It's free. I'm going to give you the 3 ways that these people lost all their money. I'll let you know what to look for and what they bought. And that's going to be what you want to avoid, okay? Whenever you're looking at tax deed auctions, you need to know the winners to pick, but you got to know the ones to avoid, okay? These people lost thousands upon thousands of dollars. And that's what I want to help to avoid. So the free workshop will be there. It's going to cover what pieces of land to avoid, And it's going to help save you guys thousands of dollars, and it's going to be free. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, the channel's Everything Casas. You just go to YouTube, you'll look up Everything Casas, subscribe to the channel, like the video, come to the workshops. It's free knowledge. Now, this can apply not only to Bexar County, but it applies to any county in the state of Texas. So if you're nearby and you want to come on down. I encourage you to do so. After this, I'm going to hold a weekend workshop where we're going to full detail on every single thing you need to know about successfully buying properties at tax deed auctions. Like the channel, follow me, and I want to give you guys something extra too. I want to give you my direct number. So my direct number is 210-767 CASA. Yeah. I know, 2272. That's it, 210-767 CASA. If you have any questions, please just send me a text and I'll get back to you. John Bonillas, County Auction Sales Advisors. I hope to see you guys at the workshop. I hope to see you guys subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you guys make some money in this process and strategy.